Hi everybody, I'm Country Dave, and this is my Country Dave's barbecue chicken soft taco that I made at the office. First thing is I took a piece of barbecue chicken and pulled off the chicken meat from the bone. Before I started, I grabbed a couple paper towels to wipe my hands down. That way I don't make a greasy mess with a roll of paper towels and my co-workers think I'm a bum plucker. If you don't know what a bum plucker is, I'll tell you at the end of the video that you're gonna watch anyway, right? And thanks Buddy Bob for the yummy piece of barbecue chicken. Here are some ingredients I got from the $1.25 store. Flour tortillas, microwave refried beans, and microwave Spanish rice. I microwaved the beans for a minute and put the beans into a separate container. I microwaved the rice for a minute and a half and put the rice into a separate container. I also purchased a bag of shredded lettuce, ranch dressing, picante sauce, and shredded nacho and taco cheese. Now I will say I have seen ranch dressing, Mexican shredded cheese, and picante sauce at the $1.25 store, but I cannot say I've ever seen fresh lettuce. Since my chicken meat was cold, I put it into a separate container to heat up in the microwave. I then added some refried beans and rice, loosely cover, and pop the container into the microwave. Nuke till warm. Remember to cover, because beans explode if you cook them too long and make a mess of the office microwave. Then you definitely be called a bum plucker by your co-workers. I pulled the container and flipped it onto a plate with the flour tortilla. Remember to put the flour tortilla down first. Next I added some shredded cheese on top and covered it with a microwave safe splash guard. I put the plate in the microwave for about 20 seconds and let it sit a few minutes so that the cheese melts. Next I added the ranch and picante sauce. To kick it up I added some pog sauce, then shredded lettuce and topped off with some black pepper. No salt for me. The picture shows ranch on top of the lettuce. I found this to be messy, so the next time I made this dish, I poured some ranch first, then added the lettuce. Finally, I folded it over, and just like magic, it became a barbecue chicken soft taco. And lunch at the office was delicious. Hey, thanks for watching, and then he says my fingers are finger smelling good.